Hello students, I hope you all are fine at your home and you are enjoying your studies very properly. Last time we have covered some second unit chapters, but today I am discontinue that chapter, but I am going to with a new unit. It is unit 7, which is very important for your examination. Why? Because this unit will compulsory come. It means if you do practice, if you do hard work, if you do consistently practicing, definitely you will get 10 out of 10 within very few minutes, because this is map work unit 7. So in it you will uh, get 10 marks because you have to locate location 10. Very simple work you have to do. Only 10 locations you have to locate on map and you will get 10 marks very easily without any problem. So that's why this unit is very important. So, and one more thing, it is very easy to do. Why? Because in examination, map will provide from the examiner and you have to do only one thing. There are some questions you have to look at, just like if this is the Africa, okay, if maybe it is Africa, if they will ask Sahara, so what you have to do, it is in the northern part Sahara, you have to shade it and then mark it, and in the serial number maybe it is 1 2 3 4, if it is on the third number Sahara, so you have to write 3 and write Sahara. It's very simple work. So if you do practice properly, definitely you will get full marks. But it requires practice, practice, and only practice. There is no other substitute. There is no other work. Maybe you think in examination time you will see the location and then you will remember. Don't believe it. You will definitely forget. So for the mapping, it is must you have to practice daily one map, or either you just turn the page and see the location. Okay, this is the Sahara Desert, maybe this is the Kalahari Desert, maybe this is that ocean, this is that ocean, this is that river. Okay, so you have to practice, or you have to see each and every location. Only you have to turn the pages in your book, see the location once in a day. If you are doing only that thing, you will get definitely 10 out of 10 in examination. Otherwise, forget about it. So, today I am going to explain you the map work. Okay, now see. This is the world climatic. Now remember, in class 9th you have some map which are belong to world, okay, and in these you have to see the climate types. What type? Equatorial. There is also one unit in which you understand what are these. There are different types of climatic conditions. First is the tropical. So now see, in this you can see also 180 page number in your book. If you are having book, it is on page number 180. Now in this map you can see easily this is the first of all, maybe from class 6 onwards you did some practice of map. If not, so now remember some basic things. What are these? This is the continent of North America, this is South America, this is Africa, this is Europe, this is Asia, this is Australia, and this downside it is, there is a hidden, but it is on the pole, na, it is on the south pole, it is called Antarctica. So these all are the 7 continents, okay, and out of these there are some oceans. So here you can see there is a Pacific Ocean. So Pacific Ocean is also here, and you can also see here, because when you round the earth, so this whole back portion, back portion, it is of the Pacific Ocean. In between the North America and South America, Europe and Africa, there is the ocean, it is called Atlantic. You can see here this whole ocean, it is called the, which is of ace like structure. This is called Atlantica. Okay, then in the India downside there is the Indian Ocean, and above there is a Arctic Ocean. So I hope this basic information you have already studied in your earlier classes. If not, I hope you understand. So in the equatorial type of climate, so where the equatorial type of climate is located, so now you can see here some locations, here some locations, and here some locations, and it is also named. What are these? Coastal plains of Colombia, Amazon lowlands, West African and the Congo basin, and the Malaysia and Indonesia. So you have to, if these location will come in your examinations, you have to shade like it and write the name. It's very simple, but if you see again and again, then it will imprint your brain. Means the print is in your brain. So what will happen? You can easily locate. If you not practice, definitely you will not remember. Now, so I hope this map you will clear. Come on the second map. Second map, it is the world climatic type, which is of tropical monsoon. What is the second one? Tropical. So where in the whole world where the tropical type of monsoon is located? So now see, you can see the world tropical climate, which is on the here, here, here in India, because India is the mostly, and here in some part of the Australia. Now see, what are these names? Caribbean area, then East Brazil, because here is the Brazil, so here is East Brazil, then East Coast plains of Africa, here it is East Coast. If you remember the locations, now this is the, it is east, west, north and south. So if whenever here, if you are talking about, so this is the east side, this is the west side, this is the north side, this is the south side. So I hope it is clear, so there is no need to remember. Okay, only you remember it is a Brazil, so east Brazil, east of Brazil. Here it is the Africa, so east of east coast plain of the Africa, and here is the north. You can see, you can see the North Australian and the Eastern Queensland. Okay, because here is the Queensland, so in the eastern part of Queensland, and it is the north of Australia. In Southeast Asia, I think you remember Southeast, because it is Southeast Asia, because this is Asia, and in the southeast, now there are some intermediate locations: east, west, north and south. So intermediate location, it is in between, so it is northeast, this is southeast, this is southwest, and this is northwest. I hope you remember in earlier classes you have studied. Okay, so I hope this map is also clear. Come on the next map. The next map, it is the world climatic type, it is the tropical desert. What are these? Tropical desert. Now see, in the tropical desert you can see some location here. It is the Sahara, which I already told you in the starting, and Peruvian here, the Kalahari desert, then West Australian desert, and then Thar desert, it is in India. So these all are the deserts. Now see in detail. First one, it is the California, Arizona, Mexico. Okay, so this is here. Then Peruvian or Atacama desert, which is here. Sahara desert is here. Arabian, here it is, because in the Iraq and Iran. There's also one desert, it's called Thar desert. Okay, remember this location. This location is the Thar desert. Kalahari desert, here it is in the South Africa. And the last one, it is the West Australia, because it is in the west part. Now see, you can see it is, here it is east, here it is west part of Australia, it is called West Australia. Okay, so I hope this desert also clear. Come on the next one, it is the world climatic type, it is called Mediterranean type of climate. Mediterranean type of climate, now you can see where it is located. You can see some part here, some part here. Now you can see it is in the most western part. Okay, most western part. See in detail. First is California, second one is central Chile, next one is shoreline of the Mediterranean. See, because this whole part of the Mediterranean, the main Mediterranean part, it is here, because Mediterranean Sea is here. So because of this Mediterranean Sea, this named is Mediterranean type of climate. and along this area is covered with this Mediterranean type of climate. Next one, it is the southwest of the Cape province because it is a Cape Hope. Okay, and here it is the southwest Australia, and here is the district from uh, Adelaide to Melbourne. I hope these also locations clear. Only you have to see the location where this location, because in examination the location will ask. You have to only shade, either mark, either make a line, either only dot and write the name. Very simple work. Now come on the next one. It is the world climate type temperate grassland, which is steppe or prairies. Now see. So here you can see there is also one prairies, here it is pampas, here it is steppes, here it is pultas, here it is veld, here it is Manchurian, because Manchurian desert is also here, okay, in China or Mongolia border. And then there is a Don. So these all are the different grasslands. How you remember? First of all, you have to see here prayer. Okay, American prairies. Okay, so prairies is here. Okay, then pampas on the downside. Pump it is in downside na, so there's why pampas it is in downside. Welding it is less like a welding na, so that's why it is called weld, or remember like the weld. Pulls, okay, it is like a bridge, pulls. Okay, and steppes, which is the longest part, which is in the Europe and Russia. Okay, also Asia we can say that, but it is in the European part. And there is a Manchurian grassland, and there is also Manchurian desert also. Okay, okay, so Manchurian, remember Manchurian, we are eating Manchurian, and it is also Chinese food, so that's why remember it is in China. In the Don it is in Australia. Okay, so I hope this also clear. Come on the next one. It is the world climate type tropical grasslands savanna in Sudan type. So these are the grasslands. Now see these grasslands. Here it is one in the South America, then there is in Africa, and then there is a in here there is no location. Okay, there is no different names, but it is whole part, this whole location, it is called the savanna type or Sudan type of climate. Okay, savanna or Sudan type. Okay, savanna or Sudan type of grassland. Here and here it is in the southern part. Next one, it is the world type of, it is the Tiaga and Tundra. Now what is the Tiaga and Tundra? If you will see the whole map, there is a north pole and there is a south pole, and it is the equator, you know very well. So if we are talking about very close to the poles, okay, so this very extreme type of climate, it is called tundra. What is it called? Tundra. And if near to it a less cold part, this less cold part, this region it is called the tundra. Sorry, this is called the Tiaga. So I hope it is clear. So now see, this region it is called the, now you can see it is in pink color, it is called tundra. You can see it is in pink because this region is a tundra type of climate. And here it is in green color, this region it is called the Tiaga. So it is lesser cold and it is extreme cold region. Okay, so first of all it comes Tiaga and then come tundra. Okay, next one, these are the world ocean, seas and gulfs. So there are so many ocean, seas and gulfs in the world map. So what you have to see, you have given in the map, these are the Caribbean, North Sea, Caspian Sea. So this complete table, this complete name. If I'm going through each one, so the video will become very long, and I think there is no sense of it, because it is very easy, because the number is given as well as it is also given the location. So you have to find different locations. Okay, in examination you have to do a simple work. If the Caribbean Sea, you just mark that particular area and then write their name. It is a Caribbean Sea. If it is that, like it is like that, it is like that, it is like that. So whatever it is, you have to write their names. So these all are very easy. Okay, because the names, the number is given, just like first is the Caribbean Sea. Okay, second one it is the North Sea, third one it is the Caspian Sea. So these all names are given one by one in each location. If you will go in, because in book it is very clear, you can find very easily. Okay, just like here it is 2 number, here it is number 3, here 4, 5. So these are the locations. Now here 6, 23, 21, here 17. these are 13. So these all are the C's. Okay, 15, 14. So whatever it is on that location, you can very easily remember. So you have to remember, because here there is no work of me. It means I cannot explain it, because it is the work of remembering. And how you can remember? There is only one way. It is practice, practice and practice. Either you see daily, either you just do practice in your book. Okay, there's only two ways by which you can learn, or you can understand, you can remember the map, because it is the work of remember. And you can remember only by one thing. It is the practice, by watching, while reading, by go through the pages. There's only one way. Okay, so these are all the oceans, seas and gulfs. Next one is world rivers. There are different rivers. So you can see here again there are some rivers names are given. So you have to remember, yes, maybe there is one tension. So these are very high in number. The near about 30, 31 river, 32 rivers are there. How we remember? Better, there is only one way. It is practice, practice and practice. Okay, so now you can see in detail. Now all the rivers are there. Okay, the numbers are given very clearly, so you can read numbers, you can find the locations in your list, and you can do practice. Either you just daily see, in the daily basis you have to do. Okay, not in only in examination. If you think in examination you will see, it will not work. Daily you have to go through it, and one day definitely you will very confident, sir, I learned all the locations. This is only the one way. Next one, it is the world mountains. So where is what the mountains? Okay, so you have to remember these all mountains. Just like here you can here Rockies, here it is another one Andes, and then there's also one here, here, and these all are the givens. Okay, Himalayas they're given. So by practicing you have to remember. Again there is a list is given. Okay, so these all mountain you have to practice again and again, you have to see, and then one day you will learn all the locations. Next one, it is the plateaus. So you can see the plateaus. What are the plateaus? You know very well, already we have covered the chapter. So now here there are some locations. The list is given on the downside, and here it is given shading, and also they are given the number in table here. So near about 8 plateaus are given. So you have to see properly in your book and do practice of it. So I hope these all map you have understand properly. If you are having any problem, you can write comment, then I will try to answer it. I will try to help you. You no need to take any tension. And remember one more thing, beta, there is only one way by which you can succeed in your examination. It is hard work, smart work. What is the hard work? You have to practice. What is the smart work? You have to see questions of last year. You have to see questions of your book, in your book, and try to answer in your mind. Try to answer write answer by your own language. If you are able to write answer, it means you can write in examination. If you are not, so try to find answer, read the book properly, understand the concept, and then the study will become very easy. So there are only two ways by which you can succeed in your examination. It is hard work and smart work. I hope both the things are clear. Next time we will meet with new videos. Maybe I will start a volcano and earthquake. Two chapters are still left. Then we will cover our 2 units. I hope you enjoy your studies. If you are not enjoying, it is not good. So please don't take tension. You have to enjoy. The study is not a tension. Study, it is for your future. So just do some work. So do some focus on it. Okay. So thank you so much. Next time we will meet. Thank you.